This is a super bivvy. If you don't know what a bivvy is, imagine a little emergency shelter or a little emergency sleeping bag that you can crawl into and get warm. It reflects 90% of your body heat. It's windproof, it's waterproof. Whether it's you or somebody else, this is a great way to snuggle up, to cozy up if you are cold. If you do lay down on the ground in this thing, that's totally fine. But what will help keep you even more warm is creating an insulating layer between you and the ground itself. So you can put down a layer of brush or leaves, that kind of thing, to create that insulating layer. So I am just over 6 feet tall and I have plenty of room in this thing. It's probably about 37-ish degrees outside and I could hang out in this all day long. In fact, I'm probably gonna take a nap right here, right now. Stay safe, stay alive. We'll see you next time.